What's up YouTube, it's Champagne Action back here with another figure unboxing review. This time of the Marvel Legends Infinite series, Marvel's Blizzard from the Hulkbuster Build-A-Figure series. Picked this up at I think Toys R Us for like 14 bucks. So I was like, might as well try to complete the Hulkbuster already since the prices are going down. Might as well, in my opinion. It looks like a pretty decent figure. Probably might not keep him, probably might sell him if anything. But he comes with the chest or the torso piece for the Hulkbuster, as you can see. Let's go ahead and check out the packaging. There you have Blizzard right there with the as you can see on the side, that's where you put the headpiece for the Hulkbuster that came with War Machine. Marvel's Blizzard. On the top there isn't any logos on it. On the side you have a nice picture of Blizzard, and I believe it's the same picture on the other side as well. And then on the back you have the figure all posed up with a read-up. Common thug turned powerful villain, Donnie Gill paralyzes his enemies with Arctic blasts. Then you can see the other figures in the wave. So far we just reviewed, I believe, the War Machine that comes with the head and the Vision that comes with the I think the abdomen, I believe so. And then there's the Iron Man now, the Strange, I think Valkyrie, and I don't know who the other person is. So let's go ahead and open up this figure and see what it's about. So here we have Blizzard out of the packaging. Let me go ahead and show you guys the Build-A-Figure piece he comes with. It'll be like the little chest piece for the Hulkbuster that you have to clip into the Vision Build-A-Figure piece, which is I believe the abdomen. You just plug it in there, and then you have to connect these two together like that. Then this one will be for the head. It's on like a little joint right there. You just put in the head right over there from the War Machine, and then boom, you have like the top piece for the Hulkbuster. It has a really cool detailing on it, to be honest. You can see like the little details in the pegs right there, and the chest piece. Pretty cool. And then also on the other piece too, pretty cool detailing on him. Blizzard didn't come with any accessories, sadly. The kind of style for this figure is just a paint on figure. There's nothing really sculpted on it, so you can probably make a custom figure on this type of body type or design or sculpt. He's just painted on. There's nothing really sculpted on there. Probably make a Deadpool, if anything, out of this figure if you wanted to. Pretty simple figure, but its articulation is pretty good on it. It's kind of like a royal blue color with white on it. Nothing major, just basic. For articulation, his feet hinge down and up. He does have ankle pivot, and then he has like a calf rotation. Also has double jointed knees, thigh swivel. He can kick up pretty good, which is pretty cool. Not that much. Can't go that much back though. Probably that much. He can do this somewhat of the splits that far. Has waist rotation 360. Has ab crunch that goes 3 notches forward and just 1 notch back. For his hands, it just goes 360, and there's like just a little bit of hinge on it, I believe. Let me see. It's kind of hard though. And he has double jointed elbows. See that right there. Bicep rotation, arms move forward and back and up, of course. And for his head, it's just a simple paint on, sadly. Nothing sculpted on there. Just detailing on the wrinkles and stuff like that. Sadly, for his head, it can just look sideways and look down pretty good, and up also. Pretty okay figure. You can use the body for a custom. Not really a good figure because of the sculpt. No sculpting on it. Just a basic, just like a basic figure. So let me go ahead and pose this guy up for you guys and give you guys my final opinion. So here's Blizzard all posed up. What I would give the figure is probably a 8 out of 10 because there's no really sculpt on it. It's just a painted on type of figure, which is really disappointing. But like I said, you can use it for a custom. The articulation is there, and you just have to sculpt some things on there yourself with some some of that plastic clay, I think that's what they call it, or anything like that. Yeah, this is a pretty cool figure though. Just the articulation is great. Nothing special about it. Like I said, I probably won't keep it just because it's so basic, which I really don't like. But it's an okay figure though. Comes with a Hulkbuster piece, of course. Yeah, that's pretty much it though. Yeah, it's a pretty disappointing figure though. Could have been better. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and thumbs up my videos if you like them. And follow my Instagram at Champagne Action. Thanks for watching, guys, and you guys have a great week.